Velcro on an orbital sander. This stuff is awesome. This is the first time I bought this product, Diablo. It says it lasts 10 times longer. Oh my God, it does. I just did all this with this table. It looks like it's not even used. It's not about this disc. It's about this table that we're going to refinish right now. Kid's been drawing on this. My daughter actually burnt like a burnt mark here. She left the iron over here. I sanded it all out, and I'm going to blend all this in to make it look nice before I stain this. Keep watching as we get to make the table all look nice and new, probably better than it looked when I bought it. It has this little like cut in here. You guys can see that. So I took some oil paint and I mixed it up and I painted that all black just to give it a two-tone on this table, and it has it also in the chairs here. So I did it in both areas to give it a really cool look. Staining this now. I got a sock, a glove. Don't get this stuff on your hands, it's nasty. This is what I'm using. You can use whatever you want. And I'm trying to hold it still for you guys to see it. And this is what it looks like. It's almost natural, and it's giving that coat on here. I might give it 2 coats of this just to protect it right. Make sure I don't miss any spots. This is gonna look really nice. Really nice, and I just wanted to point out that I did get this from Menards. You guys don't got Menards by it's just like Home Depot or something, but it's Australian timber oil, natural. So really nice stuff because of the natural wash. The table was at the point of going in the trash, and I'm also going to reface these fabrics right here, which I've already done once. You guys can see in the video, but you can see you can pick that up at a craft store. You can get a yard for about $8. Just wrap it, staple it on the bottom, screw it back together. You guys got something similar to that. Got all these sanded down too. This is gonna look amazing. This set was about $4,500 from Macy's.com. This was about maybe 8 or 10 years ago. Especially if you guys have wood. Wood could always be sanded down, patched with wood filler, and fixed.
Do you finish your projects?
I decided to make the room look new again. The table was all scratched up from the kids over the years, painting, using markers, bleeding through, so I decided to sand everything up, clean it all up. Also, my daughter left an iron on it and there was a big burn spot. Fixed that up. Over here, I'm painting the walls bright white. Valspar from Lowe's. Everything's stained, all the walls are painted, no drips, did a perfect job. Wife's happy, the kids are happy. It's just gonna look like a brand new room again, give you that new feel you only get when you buy something new. But hit that like button so I could hit 1 million, please.